Hi, I'm Shivan Sarna, and I wanted to welcome you to SIBO SOS. This is the platform I created, the website, the community on Facebook, the summits, the book, Healing SIBO, so that we could all learn together about what small intestine bacterial overgrowth is and how to overcome it, how to manage it, how to cure it if possible. I was so I don't know, what is the word, desperate, just full of despair when I finally got a diagnosis. I was incredibly relieved. Isn't that a weird feeling to be relieved that you have a diagnosis of a condition? It's kind of like once you get that box checked, then you're like, at least I know what I'm dealing with. Okay, next. And then you go into a whole nother phase. Well, this is a place where we have tons of resources for you to be able to learn about it so that you can work with your doctor, work with your practitioner, and in many cases do a lot of it DIY, not all of it probably, but a fair amount. Incorporate the diet, which will only manage your symptoms, not cure SIBO, by the way, and help you to figure out your underlying cause of why you have it. Remember, SIBO is caused by something else and it causes other things, including IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. And also remember that if you've ever had food poisoning or even just a stomach bug, that could actually be your underlying cause. As you proceed through the different resources that I have, and then maybe even join us for the SIBO recovery roadmap that you can find on the site, you will be empowered. You will be able to SOS, which has come to mean save ourselves. I'm so excited you're here. Please take advantage of the resources, including some very cool coupons that I negotiated for the community. I'm good like that. So that you can save as much money as possible because SIBO is expensive. It is frustrating. It can drain your life, your time, your energy. I have just so much gratitude to the people who've helped me on my path. And I'm so excited for you that you're here and that we're going to help you on yours. So be well, don't give up, and let's do this.